Welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today we're exploring 7 amazing homes for sale, packed with character, value, and lifestyle potential. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. Gainesville, Texas. 4 beds, 2 baths, $120,000. This charming 1940s Gainesville home is a rare chance to revive a true North Texas classic. Sitting on a tree-lined street just minutes from historic downtown, this property blends small-town warmth with everyday convenience. You're close to local cafes, community parks, the Frank Bug Zoo, and quick access to I-35, making commutes and weekend trips effortless. Inside, the home still holds its timeless character, original trim work, nostalgic room flow, and the kind of craftsmanship you only find in older homes. The layout provides room to grow with nearly 1,500 square feet ready for updates, creativity, and personality. Whether you're an investor restoring for resale or a DIY lover transforming a forever home, this property has the bones and charm to become something truly special. With the right vision, it could shine as one of Gainesville's hidden historical gems.
Laredo, Texas. 4 beds, 3 baths, $279,900. This spacious corner lot home in Laredo offers versatility and comfort across 2 well-designed stories. Multiple master bedrooms, 1 on each floor, make this layout great for multi-generational living or hosting long-term guests. A family loft provides bonus living space, while a half bath adds daily convenience. The seller has completed valuable updates, including 2 new AC units, fresh carpet, blinds, solar screens, a water boiler, and a 7-year-old roof, giving buyers peace of mind. The backyard patio and thoughtful layout make this home both functional and inviting. If you're seeking space, updates, and an ideal location, this Laredo property checks all the boxes.
Canyon Lake, Texas. 3 beds, 2 baths, $150,000. This beautifully upgraded pier and beam home is a rare opportunity, perfect for placing on your own acreage, lake lot, ranch property, or investment land. Inside, the craftsmanship stands out immediately. A custom kitchen with built-ins, granite counters, a Sub-Zero refrigerator, double ovens, farmhouse sink, and quality Anderson doors and windows. Tile floors span the main areas and bathrooms, while luxury vinyl plank flooring brings warmth to the bedrooms. The open living and dining layout creates an inviting central space, ideal for hosting family or guests. The AC is only 1 year old, adding modern efficiency. While the land isn't included and the buyer must coordinate the move, the value of the home itself, fully upgraded and meticulously finished, makes it an excellent option for those wanting a high-quality structure at an affordable price.
Denton, Texas. 3 beds, 2 baths, $289,000. Nestled in the Laurel Addition neighborhood, this freshly renovated Denton home blends modern updates with cozy architectural character. As you walk into the living room, the vaulted ceiling with exposed beams and a painted brick fireplace instantly creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Natural light pours in through French doors that open to the backyard. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a charming breakfast nook surrounded by windows, perfect for morning coffee. With a spacious primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms, the floor plan offers comfort for families or anyone seeking a stylish move-in ready home.
Minutes from UNT, Denya Park, restaurants and shopping, this home offers convenience and modern comfort all in one.
Brownsville, Texas. 3 beds, 2 baths, $190,000. Located in a quiet cul-de-sac, this 2016-built Brownsville home delivers both charm and modern efficiency. With 1,325 square feet of living space, the open layout creates a bright, airy flow, perfect for families and first-time buyers. The home features 3 comfortable bedrooms, 2 well-appointed bathrooms, and a low-maintenance lot just over 6,600 square feet. This property has been well cared for, offering a clean and cozy atmosphere from the moment you step inside. With its newer construction, peaceful location, and move-in ready condition, it's an excellent opportunity for anyone looking for affordability without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Ingleside, Texas. 4 beds, 2 baths, $250,000. This renovated Ingleside property sits on 2 full lots, giving you the space rarely found at this price point. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage, the home offers plenty of room for growing families. The oversized backyard is a major highlight, ideal for boats, RVs, adding a workshop, or even building that dream pool. Inside, fresh updates create a clean, modern feel, and the layout is welcoming and functional. This home is designed for long-term enjoyment, providing the space and flexibility to create memories for years to come.
St. Hedwig, Texas. 4 beds, 2.5 baths, $295,000. This beautifully maintained St. Hedwig home delivers comfort, convenience, and classic Texas living. With over 2,200 square feet of space, the layout feels open and comfortable, with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, great for families or those needing extra room. The home is ideally positioned for commuters, offering easy access to IH-10 and nearby military bases. Its peaceful setting, generous interior space, and attached garage make it a smart, well-rounded choice for buyers seeking a move-in ready home in a desirable area.
Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. If you enjoy affordable home tours and property breakdowns, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more listings across the US. See you on the next tour.